Lots of sex is lost globally every year. It's a tragedy. There are so many moments happening right now. Right now, there's about 18,000 couples around the world who are sitting on a couch or doing something, and the woman wants to fuck the guy, and the man wants to fuck the woman, but they don't because she said something because she was a bit nervous, and he went, oh, okay, all right, better get you home then, and that sex was lost forever.
This one, I was in Miami. I approached this Irish chick. We had a good conversation. Not seemed good, like, anyway, it's a little bit boring conversation. And then she said to me, hey, listen, we can catch up again, but I want you to know I'm not going home.
Yeah.
I'm not going to yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I said, look, whether you did or don't, I won't judge, something like that. Or I might have said, I jokingly might have said, I'm not that easy or something like that.
Yeah.
What was she trying to do there?
What was she trying to do there? Well, girls can say that at various points. So that's her very early, preemptively kind of saying, yeah, I'm like, what's going on in her head? Men ask women on dates, and you're a stranger, right? So it's not like someone she knows through the social circle. Stranger asked me out, that means he wants to try and fuck my body, which is true, right? So now women can feel all sorts of things about that fact. They can be like, yes, a man wants to fuck my body, let's hurry up and do that. She can feel like, yeah, I want to see him, but for me, right now in this moment, I feel like I don't want to sleep with a man on the first night. And some women have like ironclad rules about that. And lots of women have like a general thing that like, I don't do that, or I don't want to do that. And then they may well change their mind, like the lady did the other night, who at the doorstep said, we're not sleeping together. And I said, cool. And then an hour later, she changed her mind. She was telling the truth on the doorstep, because right there on the doorstep, we don't know each other very well. It's our first date. She's about to go into my apartment. She's saying to me, I don't want to feel obliged. Like, I don't want the pressure of having to have sex with you. I don't want you to be pushy. You know, I don't know what's going to happen in that place that's not my place. So she's letting in who you know a concern is really what she's doing. So it's how you handle the concern that will determine whether she does end up coming in or, you know, so in that situation, that's early for a girl to say that, okay? I've had that, it's not common, but I've had that before. Then I would say, rather than like, I mean, sure, yeah, I'm not that easy. Okay, cool. That's all right. But it's like, well, I totally hear you, but let's just hang out together and see what happens. We're planning a bit too far in advance. Or, yeah, like, of course you do whatever you want to do, but I'd love to see you. Right, so it's like, that alleviates, it's not just casual. It's like, I'm acknowledging her fear, or her concern, right? The girl at the doorstep, she says, you know, what she did the other night. And if I'd said, oh, yeah, okay, just come in then. No, because it's like, I haven't actually acknowledged that she feels concerned. So that's why I said to her, whatever I said, which was like, yeah, no problem, but do you want to come inside and hang out anyway? With the vibe of let's go, yeah, that's cool. Like, that's the vibe.
Yeah, and that's what I meant by casual.
Right.
Response is quite cool, relaxed.
Yeah, yeah. And like, I still give the offer, because if the girl says, like, if I'd done that on the doorstep and she said, oh, like, I'm not going to sleep with you tonight, and I thought, oh, well, that's a waste of time then, or I'd been super nice guy and said, oh, okay, cool, let's get you a taxi. That wasn't right, because she did want to come upstairs, she just didn't want to feel obliged, and when she got upstairs, then she felt like she wanted to have sex, and then we had sex, right? Lots of sex is lost globally every year. It's a tragedy. There are so many moments happening right now. Right now, there's about 18,000 couples around the world who are sitting on a couch or doing something, and the woman wants to fuck the guy, and the man wants to fuck the woman, but they don't because she said something because she was a bit nervous, and he went, oh, okay, all right, better get you home then, and that sex was lost forever. This is a global pandemic. This must stop.
Atrocity.
It is. It's a crime against humanity. So much sex is being lost every year. And just for $1 a day,
more than 18,000.
For the price of one sip of a Melbourne coffee, you too can save a couple from not having sex tonight. I'm working on it. All right. That'll work at the local Comedy Cellar. Good day, gentlemen. James checking in from Sedona, Arizona, cowboy country. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is a little excerpt from one of our live workshops. If you're interested in joining us live, we're sold out for the year, but we'll be back in April of next year for our first 7-day workshop. So if you'd like to get a free consultation, free coaching call, chat to us about our different coaching options, then you can click the link below, book in, have a chat with Alex, and see if we can help you. Also, I'm currently offering my free 3-part video on the foundations of cold approach. How to meet strangers in everyday locations, to be able to go up and say hi confidently, get in good conversations, ask them out on dates, and for them to often say yes. This is a skill that cannot be replaced by swiping and waiting and hoping. It is the primary skill that a man needs to be able to get what he wants in life, is to be able to bowl up to strangers and say, hi, I'm here, I want stuff, and I've got stuff to give. Let's do a deal, factually. You can get that, click the link below, put your email in, you'll receive video 1 immediately, and the next few videos over the next few days. And that's it. I'm going to go and hike off into the red hills of this incredible landscape. All right, peace. See you next time.